Hi, my name is Louisa Roeder. I'm a Brooklyn-based interior designer and welcome to my home. So this is a landmarked Brooklyn Brownstone built in 1870, and the reason I love it is because it has all these original details that you don't find in new construction. I work in a lot of different styles with clients, but my personal aesthetic leads towards cozy eclectic. I absolutely love lighting, layered rugs, and artwork. In traditional brownstones, you enter on the parlor level, and the first room you see is the living room, so I wanted to pay special attention to decorating it. That's really easy though when you have a working fireplace. I wanted to have the room centered around it, but it was a tricky configuration since the room is long and narrow. So I made 3 distinct seating areas, and I used one large rug to unify those 3 spaces. The advantage of this configuration is that it cozies up the space. There's a seating area in front of the fireplace and then a separate seating area by the windows. And I paid particular attention to the furnishings in here, including these 2 armchairs. So I found these 2 mid-century scoop chairs that I placed in the corner, and I also reupholstered them from the original black leather. One of my personal favorite rugs is the one in front of the fireplace. The geometric motif is very unusual, and it just so happened that it matched the motif in the mirror surround. Again, it's just part of my thought process to make sure that things tie in together. I usually don't like overhead lighting with the exception of pendants and chandeliers, and I custom designed this light fixture with my friend and light designer Paul Pisanelli, that he endearingly refers to as the Taj, and he used repurposed materials from old Brooklyn brownstones. Right off the living room and through these original sliding doors is the kitchen. This is by far the most modern room in the house, but like the living room, the focus was on lighting. For that reason, I painted all of the wood moldings white. Again, for the light fixtures, I went to my friend Paul Pisanelli because I wanted them designed very specifically for this space. The light fixtures over the kitchen island, Paul found these repurposed X-ray lampshades. And for the light over the dining table, again, Paul made this fixture, which is very distinctive, and I love that the black ties in the accents around the windows and the countertops. I love to entertain, so I want to make sure the dining table was large enough to host parties. For the oversized kitchen island, again, I wanted to make sure that I kept things bright, so painted the wood white, and I even painted the brick backsplash white. I wanted to make this room a departure from downstairs with the exposed brick, wallpaper, and tin ceilings. The wallpaper is by a British designer, and its floral pattern makes the room feel like an English country garden. This is not a working fireplace, so I placed cross-section of wood logs to pay homage to its original purpose. I found these clear frames, and I ripped up some paper and created a collage, and I like the interplay of the wallpaper through the frame. I wanted this room to be the coziest in the house, so again, I used the layered rugs and lots of blankets. In the master bedroom, I wanted it to feel very warm and relaxing. It has more upholstery than any other room in the house, and I feel like it really softens the mood. Though all the furnishings are upholstered, they're in different textures. But I kept all the colors neutral, because I find that to be the most relaxing. Since this is a larger room, I felt like I had space for a seating area, and again, the layered rug. I had the headboard built to take up the entire wall of this nook, so it felt like a very cocoon-like space. Because I love having mementos from my travels, I also have this tapestry from my friend from Mumbai. Thank you for joining me in my home today. I hope you enjoyed seeing my well-lit, cozy, and eclectic home.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?